Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about a revolutionary solution for irritable bowel treatment, Acacia Fiber. Irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS, is a common gastrointestinal disorder that can cause discomfort, pain, and irregular bowel movements. Many people suffering from IBS struggle to find effective treatment options. But fear not, Acacia Fiber might just be the ultimate solution you've been looking for. Acacia Fiber is a natural dietary fiber derived from the gum of the acacia tree. Its high-soluble fiber content makes it an ideal choice for IBS patients. Why? Because it acts as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. This prebiotic effect of acacia fiber helps to restore the balance of gut microflora, which is often disrupted in individuals with IBS. By nourishing the good bacteria in the gut, it can alleviate symptoms such as bloating, abdominal pain, and irregular bowel movements. Not only does acacia fiber provide relief from IBS symptoms, but it also offers numerous other health benefits. It helps regulate cholesterol levels, supports weight management, and aids in digestive health overall. Adding acacia fiber to your diet is incredibly easy. It dissolves easily in both hot and cold liquids, making it a versatile ingredient in cooking and baking. You can add it to smoothies, soups, or even your morning coffee. So say goodbye to the discomfort of irritable bowel syndrome and embrace the natural power of acacia fiber. It's time to take control of your digestive health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Take care of your gut, and we'll see you next time.